Hi guys, thank you for watching my video today and thank you for supporting my small business and my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video if you enjoy watching this. And if you want to see more of Procreate app videos or any other DIYs that I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's start making stickers. So I started my sticker business about like at the end of the April, and people are very nice. They are always supporting each other, and that's very nice to see. So if you're the one who are supporting me, thank you so much on my Etsy shop, and thank you for watching this video. You are also supporting me this way too. So okay, so let's start with our sticker. So for that, I'm using my Apple Pencil here, and of course my iPad, and of course this Procreate app. Okay, so I create so many of my stickers on my Procreate. I also use a different app for other kind of stickers, which is this Adobe Draw. I really like this one too. When I make any kind of a print that looks something like this, which don't have any lot of details, so I use this app. It's very nice for less detail work. But if you want to do some shading and stuff, I like to use Procreate. Okay, so let's create a mandala kind of sticker. So let's create a new canvas. So I always like to pick a bigger size, which is 16 by 20. Okay, so to create a mandala shape, all I'm gonna do is hit on this setting button and then canvas. I'm gonna hit drawing guide, and then I'm gonna hit edit drawing guide, and then I'm gonna go with the symmetry right there, and I'm gonna click on options. So there are like 4 options: vertical, horizontal, quadrant, and radial. So I'm gonna pick this one right here, and then I'm gonna hit done. All right, so let's start drawing. So I'm just gonna keep it very simple for this video. So I'm not gonna explain you. I don't know how to explain this part, so just keep watching and see how I'm going. And for this one, I'm actually gonna use a monoline brush, and I'm gonna go all the way down. I'm gonna use the smallest brush. Okay, so let's start drawing. so as you can see, I am done with my drawing. Now I'm gonna turn off the drawing guide, and here it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide my background, and then I'm gonna choose a white paint, and then I'm gonna create a new layer below my drawing layer, and then I'm gonna create the outline. So I already showed you last time if you want to create a easy outline, but I'm gonna use a very simple technique today, which is just outline it like this. But for that, I'm gonna use the same monoline brush and the biggest brush. All right, so for this, I'm gonna turn on the drawing guide one more time, and also I'm gonna turn on my symmetry, and then I'm gonna hit done. All right, so let's just start outlining. Okay, so this is my favorite part. I'm just leaving about like not even an inch space from the my outline. So let's do this. This is the easiest part. Alright, so here I'm all done outlining. Now I'm just gonna fill everything inside by grabbing the white paint inside. Alright, so what I want to do now is add some colors on my mandala. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new layer for that. So here I'm just gonna create a new layer above my drawing, and I'm just gonna open my background color one more time. Alright, so here I'm just gonna pick a random colors, yellow, orange, red, dark red, maybe green, and blue. Alright, so I'm just gonna hit on this tool right here, and then Gaussian blur. Maybe I want to add some more yellow. In center here, but not this yellow. I think this is good. Okay, so then I'm gonna hit on Gaussian blur. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on that layer, and then I'm gonna click on clipping mask, and here's my mandala done. Okay, I'm just gonna uncheck my background, and here is my sticker ready to print out and put it on my Etsy shop. So if you have any question, just leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. But if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up to this video. And if you want to know how I print this on my printer and how I cut this, just leave a comment down below, and I definitely am gonna create a new video for that, because I don't really want you to watch this video for 40 minutes, right? So that's why. Okay, so if you want to print this out, all you have to do is just click on this tool and then click on share and save as a PNG file to your computer, or your laptop, iPad. All right, and then you can print from there. Okay, so again, if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up to this video, and make sure you give a big like, and also subscribe to my channel if you have any question, just leave a comment down below about the materials or anything. Okay, so thank you again for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time for my next Procreate video or any other DIY video. Bye.